attention. 5 warning signs of breast cancer that many women ignore. One of the most common types of cancer among women is invasive breast cancer, affecting 1 in 8 women in the US only. The American Cancer Society expects that about 246,660 new cases of invasive breast cancer will be diagnosed in America by the end of 2016, and nearly 40,450 women will die from it. As with any cancer, early detection is crucial for positive treatment results. And to detect this cancer early, it's important to know the signs and symptoms it gives in the early stages. These 5 warning signs of breast cancer are often ignored, even though they may be critical for saving your life. 1. A new mole or change in an existing mole. Moles are generally linked to an increased risk of skin cancer, however, they can also point to breast cancer. This was confirmed in a study that included 89,902 women, aged 40 to 65 years old, whose medical records were closely followed over a period of 18 years. At the beginning of the study, the researchers documented the number of moles each woman had. During the study, 5,956 of the women were diagnosed with breast cancer. The study concluded that women who have more moles have a 13% higher risk of breast cancer than women who had no moles. 2. A cough or hoarse throat that won't subside. If breast cancer spreads to the lungs, it can be marked by a prolonged cough or hoarseness. According to statistics, breast cancer metastasizes to the lungs in 60 to 70% of terminally ill patients. Shortness of breath and dry cough are the most common symptoms to look for. 3. Changes in the bladder or bowels. Breast cancer triggers hormonal changes that cause the urethra to dry, which leads to incontinence. The common signs include urine leaking during coughing, laughing, sneezing or exercising, as well as a sudden and urgent need to urinate, and urination that takes longer than normal. Any of these symptoms should be discussed with a doctor. 4. Fatigue. Fatigue is a common symptom in many types of cancer, including breast cancer. The thing is, this type of fatigue cannot be alleviated by sleep or rest. Cancer-related fatigue is not caused by physical strain and is often accompanied by other symptoms such as pain, sleep disturbance and depression. This fatigue is caused by an imbalance of chemicals in the body the cancer creates, according to scientists. 5. Unexplained back pain. Although a common ache affecting 8 in 10 people, back pain can also indicate that breast cancer tumors are forming. Breast cancer back pain usually feels like pressure on the ribs and spine, or pain in the upper back as if coming from the bones. This can also mean that breast cancer has spread to the bones.